How to add sync in Djay. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can have the synchronization. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top, you can see this yellow like icon. Simply tap on this icon, and here on the bottom, tap on settings. Now we're in the settings interface. So this is the place where you can make different customization. Here, simply tap on general. So this is the place where you can turn on and even have different modes of sync. This is the section of sync mode. Here you'll be able to see a drop down button too. Simply tap on this drop down button, and here you can select different beats that are available. So it's according to your wish and the way you want to change or synchronize the beat. At last, simply go back and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.